In this video, I'll detail how to enable Bluetooth on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you're using iPhone 12 Pro Max and you want to turn on Bluetooth on your device, this video is going to walk you through. So there are two ways that you can use to do this. You can do this via the settings and you can do this via the control center. So it doesn't matter whether you're using iOS 18 or iOS 17.5. So if you know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to enable Bluetooth on your iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, locate Bluetooth and then click on it. Then you should be taken to the Bluetooth page just like this. On the Bluetooth page, locate the Bluetooth button and tap turn on. That is, once you turn on, the gray button is going to turn blue and it's going to turn green, and this is going to turn on your Bluetooth on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you have some devices connected before, then you should see it under my device. Then you can connect to them again next time you want to connect to them using Bluetooth. Another way you can use to enable or turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone 12 Pro Max is doing this via the control center. To do this, all you just need to do is select the control center from the top right, like this. And this is going to take you to your new control center on iOS 18. And on iOS 17.5, you should see your control center like this, something similar to this. Then, if you have the Bluetooth button added to the control center on iOS 18, go ahead and click on that. Otherwise, come to connectivity and then click on it. Then once you tap connectivity, you should see your iPhone 12 Pro Max connectivity menu open like this on the new control center on iOS 18. Then locate Bluetooth and tap it once. Then once you tap it once, this is going to turn on the Bluetooth, and if you press and hold the Bluetooth just like this, then you should see your previously connected Bluetooth devices here. Then you can click on Bluetooth settings to go to the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone settings. So this is how you can easily turn on Bluetooth on iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.